Well, hello, welcome once again back to the wonderful math party. I'm the host with the most, Mr. Young. I'm here with the amazing, the wonderful, the seventh wonder of the world, Mr. Bowman.
Hey everyone, this is Mr. Bowman here, and today we're going to go over with how to convert decimal to binary.
Yes, decimal to binary.
Excellent. Mr. Young, can you actually refresh my memory on what binary is?
Yes, well, binary is the language that computers communicate to each other. So we have some ons and offs.
Okay, so the ones and zeros, a one may be an on, and then the zero would be off.
That is correct. That is pretty much what it is. Anytime you turn something on, it's a 1. Anytime you turn something off, that's a 0.
Excellent.
Perfect. So we're going to learn how to convert that. We have a universal language of counting by tens. So as you can see on our board, we have a 65. And 65 is our reading language, and we have to convert it to computer language, which is ones and zeros.
Got it.
So, Mr. Bowman, do you remember what we did in 4th grade math?
We did some division.
We did do some division.
I do remember division.
Right. Specifically, what kind of division did we do when we did the divisions?
Was that the long division?
Yes, long division. And what do you usually have in the outside once you figure out what the answer was?
That would be fractions.
That would be fractions, and specifically remainders.
Okay.
So remainders are what we're looking for, and remainders, when we divide by 2, usually have what two remainders?
1 or 0.
That's it, 1 or 0. You either have a remainder or you don't have a remainder.
Oh wait, and that's binary.
That's correct. It is binary.
It's coming together.
Perfect, awesome. So let's get started with our beautiful black pen. So we're going to start working our math out here. So we're going to start our first one with 65. We're going to divide everything by 2. Everything's divided by 2 because we're in binary.
Gotcha.
So what do you think 65 divided by 2 is?
Well, it doesn't quite fit, but it'd be 32.
Right.
But there would be a remainder.
There would be a remainder. Now, if we did 32, we know we get 64. And 64, when we subtract that, we get a remainder of 1.
Okay.
Make sense?
Gotcha.
Easy. Easy. Totally easy. Now, this is what we're going to keep. We don't need to worry about anything else. We just need to worry about the remainder. But we have to do the rest of it. So, we take the 32 and we continue dividing. So, what's 32 divided by 2?
So that would be 16.
That'd be 16. Perfect.
But this time, no remainder.
There is no remainder. We're going to write that as remainder 0.
Gotcha.
Perfect. And we continue doing that. 16 divided by 2.
So that'd be 8.
That'd be 8. And then we have a remainder of 0 again.
Excellent.
Nice. We're on a roll.
Excellent. Yeah, keep it going.
Keep it going. 8 divided by 2. Oh my god, I'm getting way too low.
It's supposed to be 4.
It's supposed to be 4. And we have a remainder of 0 again.
Excellent.
Nice. 4. 4 divided by 2 is?
So that'd be 2.
2.
Yep.
Remainder 2. Now,
Remainder 0.
a lot of people ask us, when are we going to stop here?
Yeah, that's a good question.
That is a good question. We will get to it once we get to the quotient of 0. So, once we get to the next one, we're so close. So, if we do 2 divided by 2, 1.
And then remainder of 0.
0 again. That is perfect. And, of course, last but not least, when we do 1 divided by 2, we can't divide that anywhere.
So that's a 0.
So that's a 0 because we can't divide anymore. So I'm going to put that in green.
Okay.
And we have a remainder of 1. The green means that we have to stop. If you can't divide anymore, we got to cut it off there.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So now what we're going to do is now we have our binary number. And as you can see, we have all these 1s and 0s in our remainder. So that's our answer.
Okay.
So we have an answer now. You have to know which side we're going to do it. Luckily for us, this remainder is a palindrome. So no matter,
so it's the same backwards and forwards.
That's right. It's the same backwards and forwards. So we're going to write this. Technically, we start here.
Okay.
And we are going to end up on top. So we are going this way to get our answer. So let's go ahead and write that down. So our answer, which we will go up here, is going to be 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Did I get too many zeros? 2, 3, 4, 5. There should be 5 zeros here. Perfect.
Yeah,
and then we end up with a little tiny 2 because we were talking about the language of 2.
Excellent.
Perfect. Any questions so far?
Not so far. That's good. Very good, Mr. Young.
I like it. All right. We're going to do one more. Obviously, this one's definitely not going to be a palindrome.
Okay.
So we're going to go through this. We're going to take care of this one. 145 divided by 2. What do we got?
So this would be 72 for the first.
72.
And remainder of 1.
Remainder of 1. You're good at this.
Getting better. Getting better.
Yeah. Now we have 72 divided by 2.
So this would be 36.
36.
But it goes in, so it would be no remainder.
No remainder, so we have a remainder of 0. Now we're going to do 36 divided by 2.
So this one would be 18. And then still a remainder of 0.
Oh, I got to change my red pen, so let me erase that really quickly.
Excellent.
Yes. Can't make that mistake,
Nope.
you know? Not at all. Remainder of 0 still.
Very good.
Okay, now we do 18 divided by 2.
Okay, so this would be 9.
9.
Still a remainder of 0.
Still a remainder of 0. Man, we are taking this up to another level. 9 divided by 2.
But this one, okay, so this one's going to have a remainder.
Mm-hmm.
So this one is 4
Okay.
with a remainder of 1.
4. Let me do that in black because we don't need that.
Right, so 2 goes into 9 4 times.
4 times.
With a remainder of 1.
Remainder of 1. Sweet. Now we got to do 4 divided by 2.
So this would be 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then a remainder of 0.
Oh, I'm bad. Let's go back to the black.
There you go.
The remainder of 0.
And the colors really help.
The
And you
colors
can see
do.
it very clearly.
Very clearly that we are wanting the red. That is correct. Alright, so 2 divided by 2.
So this would be 1.
Getting 1.
And no remainder.
No remainder.
Remainder of 0.
Remainder of 0. We're getting to familiar territory
we're
here.
getting close.
Getting close. So 1 divided by 2.
Okay, so this one doesn't work, so it has to be a 0.
Has to be a
And
0.
then you have a remainder of 1.
And a remainder of 1. So we're going to put that in green because that's where we're going to stop.
That's right.
We have to stop here because if you can't divide out, we have to stop here. So now we have systematically written our binary code right here. Now, do we remember where we start? Our starting point was at the top or at the end?
At the end. So
At
the
the
bottom
end.
is
So
where
we start at the bottom and we work our way up here. Started from the bottom and now we're up here, man.
Excellent. Mr. Young, could you actually draw another arrow? That
I
was really
can.
helpful last time.
Yep. I can do that. We can draw another arrow going straight up. So now our binary code is 1001 0001. So we're going to go back up here and we're going to write it out. So it's going to be 1001 0001, and then we put the language of 2.
Fabulous.
Fabulous, and that's it. That's how you convert decimal to binary.
All right, not
Easy.
too bad.
Easy peasy. All right, next time we'll do a different type. We might do binary to decimal, and that might be a little more
Cool.
difficult. So hopefully stay tuned for another episode of the Math Party.